baby. Baby.
Hmm?
You know, every time I smell your body spray, it drives me crazy, but you know what else it does?
What?
Right here, it just makes me love you even more, baby. It really does.
Mm-hmm.
I love you so much. And then I kind of feel funny in the inside, but a good funny in the inside. I can smell it right now. Right here. It's a good feeling. I haven't had this feeling before. It's like every time I smell it, it just drives me nuts more about you, baby. No lie, this like hurt right now. Because I really do love you so much, baby. And I don't want to lose you. Okay? Love you so much.
Love you.
I know I may be drinking, but this is all coming out right now. I just want to tell you I love you. And I don't want to lose you. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Because I've never loved anyone else as much as I love you. I was wondering when I was going to say this, and I was like, probably the only time they say this is like when I'm drinking, because all the truth comes out, you know? When you drink, everything comes out. You say everything, of course. Exactly. Everything comes out. Oh.
Love you.
My hair a little bit. There we go.
Smells like you put some on too.
I did just for you.
And then that.
Tell my here's the thing. But if when our kids find out about this, they're gonna have to wait until probably about maybe 17 or something like that. Okay?
Okay.
You're gonna have fun. You're gonna have the most amazing time when you find out when you first smoke weed. And it's like, open your mind. You're gonna fucking trip out on fucking who knows what you're gonna trip out on. You're drinking? Okay then. Because things not maybe. Things maybe not the same as they are now, but in the future, when you kids grow up, things are gonna be totally different. Fuck, when I was a kid, fucking this shit did not fucking exist. There was no such thing as Facebook. I mean, internet, really, well, there was internet, but it's not like it is nowadays. I mean, back in our days, when we were kids, we actually played outside. We played with sticks, we played with rocks, we climbed trees, we didn't give a fuck about anything. We played in mud, we played in the rain. I mean, like, nowadays people complain about this fucking rain. Oh, it's raining, oh, I don't want to go out now. But fuck, when I was a kid, fuck, I didn't give a damn about the fucking rain. Rain was like, not like it's gonna hurt you or anything. It's just rain. It's just pretty much, think of it like you're having a shower, but you're not. It's just fucking water. Chill.